Here's our top 5 tips for finding the right tiler to do your job. Number 1, do you even need a tiler? If it's a little splashback, you might want to have a go at doing the tiling yourself. But if it's something a little more complicated like a full bathroom, professional help is definitely advised. Number 2, when engaging a professional, ask for referrals and past work. If a tiler is really proud of the work that they do, they'll be more than happy to share with you past projects and introduce you to previous customers to endorse the quality of their work. Number 3 is social media. Do they have social media? If so, find them on there and check out their work. They're going to be able to show you what type of projects they've been working on and what sort of quality you can expect on your project. Number 4, get multiple quotes. You might get a really busy guy or somebody who doesn't have much work on, and their prices are going to vary dramatically. If you get multiple quotes, you'll be sure to get somebody in the market who's really keen to do your job and get a fair price. Number 5 is communication skills. Find somebody who's happy to take your calls and is a good communicator so that when you're in the project, you know exactly where you're at. The last thing you want is somebody who doesn't pick up your calls midway through the project and you have no idea when the thing's going to finish. Here's a little pro tiling tip that you can work on with your tiler. Once they tell you how many square meters of tiles they think is required on the project, you can double check their work. Get the total area of wall and floor space that needs to be tiled and roughly add 10% on top of that. If the numbers are pretty similar to what the tiler is saying, you know they're going to be pretty close to the ballpark and everyone's going to be happy. I hope you find these tips helpful in finding the perfect tiler for your project. Happy tiling!